We're at gotomath.com looking at some calculus. We're over here in the Rules of Differentiation, and we are in that section, the last section. And so this is just a whole bunch of stuff mixed up, right? It says find the derivative. What are we looking at here? Y is equal to e raised to the 8x times cosine, and in parentheses we got 6x to the fifth plus 16. So we had a section somewhere here on trig functions, can't remember. Section on trig functions, these guys here, and then exponential functions. We had a section on exponential functions, and I can't remember anyway, somewhere in here. But alright, and this section here is just a medley of both exponential, logarithmic, trig functions, all mixed up. Alright, let's move into the classroom. Let's go to the whiteboard. Let's erase that. What was that? My God. Okay, we have y is equal to e cosine something in parentheses here. We'll have to go back now. I'll have to figure out what that was. It's 8x 6x to the fifth plus 16. Where are we at? 8x. We got 8x 6x. Man, my memory. To the fifth plus 16. Okay, there we go. So this particular one here, we're going to be using really kind of demonstrating the product rule, and of course also the chain rule. But anyway, the product rule, we got the product of two really separate functions here. Alright, so let's take the derivative of the first, because that's part of the product rule, the derivative of the first function. You know what? It doesn't matter. You can take the derivative of this guy here. It doesn't matter. But the way I do it is I take the derivative of the first function. So the derivative of e raised to the 8x. We take the derivative of what's up here in the exponent and bring it out front. So the derivative of 8x is 8. And then we just rewrite times, and then we're going to rewrite the second function. 6x to the fifth plus 16. Right? And then we go plus, and then I'm going to rewrite the first function here. e8x times, and then the derivative of the second. And the derivative of cosine is going to be negative. I'm going to put a start of parentheses here because it's negative sign. Negative sine. And then of course we rewrite everything in the parentheses, plus 16. And then we take the derivative of what's in parentheses and bring it out. So derivative of that's going to be 30x to the fourth. And of course the derivative of 16 is 0. And I'm going to go ahead and close up that parentheses, because remember this parentheses here. Now this negative, we're going to end up bringing it probably over here. You can go ahead, and I'm not sure I do that in the problem, but we can actually factor e to the 8x out. We could pull that out, and we could pull here, let's see, 15.2 is 15.3 is 5 is I don't know, we could there's a GCD right between 8 and 30 there. We can factor a number out, probably 2. I guess we could pull 2 out, and we can pull e to the 8x out if we wanted to, but I'm not exactly sure. I don't think I do that here. Whoa, what happened? I wonder why that got so small. Oh well. 8, no, but what I did do is I went ahead and brought that negative and put it right there. Anyway, the font's like really small and the exponents are really big, and I'll have to check into that. Not exactly sure what's going on there. That's funky. The funky Cole Medina is going